Opportunity, one that is rooted deep within the aspirations I have valued. To the dynamic Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Honorable Juanito Victor Junbic Remulla, sir, thank you for your support. To the outgoing and the first Lacan Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas De Los Torre III, thank you for steering the PNP for what it is today. To my beloved family who has nurtured me to what I am today, my father, my mother, and my brothers, my wife Mary Rose, and my children who are the source of my strength and inspiration. I would like to recognize the presence of all government executives, friends, relatives, and the beloved members of the Philippine National Police who are here present, especially our members of PMA, Tanglangayodiwa Class of 1992. At sa lahat, sa okasyong ito, isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. My story began many years ago as a young lad growing up under the care of my grandfather, who served 16 years as the chieftain of the humble barangay of Mabilbilasor, Santa Ilocos. Sa hapon ko unang nakita ang kahalagahan ng pamumuno, disiplina at kaayusan. Holding on to these early impressions in life, I went on as PMA cadet, eager to learn more. Through the rigors of cadetship, I was able to internalize the deeper meaning of courage, integrity, and loyalty. From the halls of the academy to the streets where I have patrolled as a young lieutenant, every experience has shaped me into the leader I am today. My aspiration has become to lead with integrity, to serve with compassion, and to protect our communities with unwavering dedication. But today is not just about my story. It is about the collective narrative of the Philippine National Police, an organization built on the pillars of service, honor, and justice. Over the years, we have been guided by the wisdom and insights of my predecessors. It's like our former Chief PNP, General Acorda, palakpakan natin, who have left behind a legacy of best practices. Together, we have overcome adversity, solved crimes, and have worked tirelessly to protect our vulnerable communities. Our aspiration is clear: to become a resilient organization able to provide a safer, more secure environment for every Filipino, where justice prevails and all can live without fear. Kahalintulad ng sinabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo, na ang pangarap mo ay pangarap ko, pangarap ko rin at pangarap nating lahat. Ito ay ang magkaroon ng isang bagong PNP para sa isang bagong Pilipinas. And in order to realize this dream, we shall march together and traverse this path by carrying out the needed programs that will ultimately, or that will continuously transform our organization. First is, in an overwhelming landscape of threats, innovation in patrolling and investigation is the key. We can deny the occurrence of crime through the mastery of community na walang anumang pasubali
o hangaring liwas
o hangaring umiwas.
Kaya nawa ako ng Diyos.
Siya nawa ako ng Diyos.
Pinabati kita.
Nako, pinalitan na talaga. Mga kababayan.